Hello everyone, as you can see we have the Zeus Mini in front of us. It is from GoPro. Basically what it allows you to do is have a light with your GoPro, and if you guys have been paying attention to some of the new products coming out from GoPro, they just released the Volta, which I'll have a video up, link up here, so if you can watch that unboxing and just the quick setup and what you need to do to get started with that. But along with that, GoPro announced the Creator Edition as well for your GoPro 10, and I already had a GoPro 10, so I'm not going to go out and buy a whole Creator Edition. So what we're doing is we're building the Creator Edition separately, and so I'm breaking this up into separate videos here so you can see that yourself. So we've got the Volta, we've got the Zeus Mini, and then we'll also have the Media Mod as well, and we'll have that video here shortly. So what we're going to do is talk about the Zeus Mini first. What we're going to do is go ahead and unbox the Zeus Mini, but first let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box here. As you can see, it is a magnetic swivel clip light. It's pretty cool because it does come with a clip, which is really nice, and you can even use that on your GoPro as well, and we'll talk about that in a moment. Limited lifetime warranty, as they always say. The clip will attach to your backpack strap, which is really nice. It'll also, like I said before, it is magnetic. So we'll take a closer look at that as well. All right, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. I don't know where my big knife is, but go ahead and use this guy for right now. So this way you can see exactly what comes with your Zeus Mini here. We've got our important product safety instructions. We've got the actual user guide here. We've got the light itself, which is super nice. We've got the diffuser and then the actual light there. Let's see what we got here. That. Got our thumb screw, USB-A to USB-C cable. I am so happy that GoPro has done everything with USB-Cs. Waiting for more devices to only go with that, but we'll talk about that in just a moment. So basically, this is going to be the clamp. This will work with any GoPro product, not just the light. And with that, what it'll allow you to do is basically use the traditional GoPro mount. We have the light here, and all we're gonna do is put that on there, and now we have the ability to attach just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and put that on. We're gonna need that. And I haven't powered this on yet. This is waterproof. I don't know if I said that. Up to 33 feet, which is awfully nice. So that way you can actually go swimming with this. And if you click the light once, you got a bright light. Whew. Again, goes even brighter. Third time, goes even brighter. Fourth time, it strobes. And hold it down and powers off. And like I said before, we've got the diffuser, which is probably what you're going to use, especially if you're going to be vlogging or doing anything up close with the light. So again, here's light 1, light 2, light 3, and then we'll hold that down. And we've got our flash. I'll hold it down one more time, and we're going to power off. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and talk about how to power this guy up. You'll notice that we do have a little door there. You push that down, gives you access to the waterproof door, and so you can just plug in your USB-C cable, and that is how you are going to charge this. Push that back down, and you're good to go. Super easy product to work with. And then hold that up, push that guy in. Push this back, and now you've got your clamp, and it'll go attached to anything right there. So let's go ahead and get some metal here and attach this and see how the magnetic capabilities work. All right, so we got a piece of metal there. So let's go ahead and just like that, we are attached. And like I said before, this mount will work with your GoPro as well. So it's a very versatile mount, which is one of the reasons why I like this, because we're able to do so many different things with everything that we got here. I like it because this, as a backpack attachment myself, and so this light comes with so many different things, and I'll leave a link in the description as well, so you can update to that if you want. Probably use a different thumb screw if you're going to be using your GoPro, but it is a swivel as well, so that way put your backpack strap there and you're attached. There you go. And I've used this at the range. I've used this in other places as well. I have that clip that I received with a different GoPro, and I've just kept that along the way there. So I think this is a good overview as far as what you can do with the light. Like I said, what we're going to be doing is talking about some of the other things you can do with the Zeus Mini here, with your GoPro, with the Volta, with the Media Mod as well. And I'll leave links down below. And definitely, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. We do a lot of things with GoPro, but we also do other things as well, focusing on Star Wars and going to theme parks, travel, home automation, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. If any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you're not already, if you didn't already, make sure to like the video. And with that, have a great day.